here with, I'm here with Mo, the founder of Lush.
Hello everybody.
And we've got the fresh box of February, which is a St. Valentine's fresh box.
Ooh.
And we're here in the fresh room.
Fresh is one of our basic product ranges and it has been forever. So by fresh we mean we don't have any preservatives in, and we get the ingredients in and we use them immediately.
And so this one is Valentine's box, inspired by Chaucer's The Parliament of Birds, which is a dream poem where birds gather on Valentine's Day to choose their mate, because traditionally Valentine's Day is a day where birds fall in love. So we've got a little picture of the ospreys.
Yeah, the ospreys are our highlight at the moment. Ospreys and Fresh and Flowers sit side by side each other in Carey's secret garden, and the ospreys have been breeding. That's the first time they've bred in 200 years. Although it doesn't link directly with flowers, it is part of that lovely landscape.
So we get our rosemary from Carey's secret garden as well for this box. So yeah, it's all a part and part. But yeah, just the fact that the birds fall in love. So we just wanted to mention ospreys because that's really part of us,
we love
isn't
them.
it?
Yeah, they're very popular.
I'm going to run my bath, and then I'm going to put the bird song music on.
But it is one of those QR codes.
Yes, QR code things you click on and then you can hear it. So,
yeah, so that'll be lovely.
Just to cheer you up because it's February, it's still cold. So just to...
It's almost snowing out there today.
Yeah.
It's terrible. Yeah.
So I'm going to run my bath, and then I'm going to put my Dream Vision bath Garni in the water. So we've got anemones and ranunculus in these, and we've got a few heads in the box as well that you can all put in the bath. Just make it beautiful for yourself.
Yes.
So the idea is like liken it to like a date night, like set the day you're going to make this, have this experience in your bath and look forward to it. So think cheer yourself up kind of box for February. The Romaunt of Rose bubble bar, and this has got some bath melt in it. It's got some like cocoa butter in it, so it's really softening for your skin. Soak it.
Yeah, I thought so.
And then crumble it.
Oh, there we are, look.
In the water.
That's
and
lovely.
then do a bit of swishing.
Yeah.
I like to do a bit of swishing. I'm not going to swish too much because I'll splash you, but proper swishing to get all your bubbles, to make nice bubbly water. We'll make loads of bubbles to go with your Dream Garni as well. So, and then there's the Lovey Dovey cleansing roll, which has got moisturising coconut yogurt, soothing rose water, and cleansing pomegranate. So you just pinch off a little bit, like a normal cleansing roll. Add a little bit of water, make a paste, and then circular movements over your face to cleanse your face.
Well, that is lovely and smooth. I like going on the face.
Because my skin always goes really dry when it's really cold, because it's going to be like snowing and ice and all the damage for your skin. So it's nice to have some moisturising cleansing.
Lovely. That's very nice.
Oh yeah, the Noble Goddess Nature face mask. So this is obviously Lady Nature, who helps the birds choose their mates. So we've got apple juice, soothing rose water, and infusion of cleansing myrtle and cowslip in honour of the Greek goddess of love, Aphrodite.
Oh.
To whom the myrtle was a sacred plant. So
it's nice and smooth.
Cupid iPads.
Okay.
Turn it around.
Put one on, I'll do the other.
Soothing iPads.
Yes.
With softening carrageen base and softening fresh aloe and hydrating rose water in them.
Good,
so lay back with your mask and relax.
Lovely. Anyway, that's going to be fabulous for part of your regime.
And then get dried, get out of the bath, get dried off, and then you've got the St. Valentine Enfleurage.
I like these a lot. They're very soft, aren't they?
So I put daisies on it because daisies are associated with Venus, the goddess of love. So it's got organic cocoa butter, rose hip oil.
And you don't wet it. This is like
don't wet it, yeah. So you've got dried off, and then you're like just doing it afterwards.
Yeah.
Just put a tiny bit on because it goes a long way, and it's got rose jam fragrance in it. Yeah,
I mean, it's a brilliant
product. You can really
product.
smell the rose jam in this.
It's lovely, yeah. Depends how far you want to spread it, but this was very spready.
You've got a whole body's worth there, haven't you?
I have got a whole body's worth, yes, if not more, but still. And then you just leave it on, you massage it
Just
in.
leave it on, yeah. Just get into bed then.
Yeah.
You're all good to go then.
Brilliant.
All relaxed, had a lovely night.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes, happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. Hope you enjoy this box. If you want to subscribe, you just go to our website and there's a little link saying Fresh and Flower subscriptions. Happy Valentine's.
Little lovebirds
on your cleansing.
Yay. Everybody wants the lovebirds. This is where you all run out of the room and leave me.
Yeah, none of us are here.